In the operation tree of the part I have here, notice that there are a couple of operations of the same type that use the same tool size. In situations like this, you can group the similar operations together into a single operation by using the Combine Operations tool. To do this, I'll right-click on the part setup in the operation tree and select Combine Operations. A dialog box appears with a message at the top asking what operations that use the same tool I'd like to combine. Since I have both rough and contour operations that can be combined, I'll check both those boxes and click OK. The operation tree then updates and shrinks, so when I expand all the rough and finish mill operations, you can see that a couple of them have two associated features. These were the operations that used the same tool size, so were combined. Not only does this help organize the tree, but since they'll be machined with a single operation now, any changes I make will affect how both features are machined. In addition to combining operations, Solidworks CAM gives you the ability to link similar operations that may not have the same tool diameter. The difference between combining and linking operations is that linking does not affect the machining order of the operations you are linking. This means that if you want to make a change to several operations, but don't want to change their machining order, you can create a link, make the change once, and know that it will be echoed in all of the linked operations. To actually apply a link to these operations, I'll right-click on the first rough mill operation and select Link Operation. Since there is only one other rough mill operation in the tree, it's the only one available to link to. I'll click it, use the arrow to move to the selected operation's side, and press Link to make the link. The icons of the linked operations updated with an icon to show they're linked, but maintain their machining order in the tree. I'll edit the definition of one of the linked operations and change the pocketing pattern to Pocket In. Now, when I Control-select both operations to see their toolpaths, you see that both the combined pockets and linked slot operations use the same pattern type. The linking and combining operations can save you a lot of time on parts with similar features by minimizing the number of times you need to make updates. There are two things I want you to keep in mind, however. First, the lead-in tab parameters won't update when linked. Second, while you can always unlink operations, there is no way to undo a combine.